Hello student, welcome. Topic of this video is now the Aravallis. The Aravalli is a range of hills in the northwest part of India. This is northwest India. This is northwest India. This is Aravalli. Aravalli. This is location of Aravallis. Location. The northwest part of the peninsular plateau of India occupied by the Aravalli range. This is peninsular India. Lie in three states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Delhi, a relict of the old fold mountains. Two words are important about the Aravallis: old plus fold. Aravallis are old and fold mountains, where the Himalayas are newer fold mountains because Himalayas are in their developing stage. Extend from Delhi in northeastward to very close to Ahmedabad in southwestward for 800 km. Near Delhi, it is known as Delhi Ridge structure. The oldest tectonic old fold mountains, composed mainly of hard quartzites, that is Dharwad types of rocks. Origin of the Aravallis. The Aravallis were originated during Precambrian period. Archean era is also known as Precambrian period. Archean era, that is 600 million years ago. There should be no any doubt in this regard. You can take reference from a book by D.N. Wadia right now. 600 million years ago, where the Himalayas during tertiary mountain building period. 60 millions year ago. Here ratio of the ages of the Himalayas and the Aravallis is 1 to 10. So the Aravallis are remained as grandmother of the Himalayas and also of the Rocky and the Alps. Important facts. Highest peak is Guru Shikhar, 1722 meter on Mount Abu Hills from mean sea level. That is not very high, as denuded for a long time. It has a lesser height as compared to the newer fold mountain, the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Rockies. The Aravallis and the Vindhya are separated by the Great Boundary Fault. This is Vindhya. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi. Lie in three states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Delhi. Vindhya. Great Boundary Fault. In other video, I will discuss on Great Boundary Fault, main central thrust, Himalayan front fault. This is Great Boundary Fault, approximately parallel to the Aravalli. Great Boundary Fault separates Aravallis and the Vindhya. Great Boundary. The Thar Desert in the west. This is Thar Desert. Thar Desert in the west. Three rivers: Luni, Banas, and Sabarmati. Three rivers rise from this range. Luni, Luni. Luni is a peculiar river, but this is important for the men's examination. A notes on Luni may be important for your men's examination. It can be written in notes on Luni that Luni is a 320 kilometer long river. It rises in the Aravallis near Ajmer. It loses or eliminates itself into the run of Kutch south westward. It has a fresh or sweet water on the upper course and salty water in lower course. Because Luni has salty water, so today Luni is only few importance of rivers. Sabarmati. Sabarmati drains southern slope of the Aravallis. This is Sabarmati. Sabarmati. Banas also eliminates itself into the run of Kutch. Arabian Sea monsoon gives little rainfall to Kutch, Gujarat and Rajasthan due to the parallel alignment to the Aravallis. This is Aravalli. From here, subcurrent of Arabian Sea monsoon. Arabian Sea monsoon, Gulf of Khambat. Sabarmati discharges in Gulf of Khambat. While passing over western Rajasthan, it causes only a scanty rainfall in the Thar Desert. Although it causes rainfalls in the western Himalayas and Himachal. Provide a great barrier against expansion of Thar Desert. This is Aravalli. This is Thar Desert. Aravallis stop the expansion of Thar Desert towards environmental and ecological importance of Aravalli. Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary introduced in 1916. Man-made Lake Nakki. It is also environmental importance. Precious stones and building materials. It is economic importance. Temples of Jainism on Mount Abu in Dilwara. During region of Chalukya and Solanki ruler, many magnificent temples were constructed in Anhilwad of Gujarat and on Mount Abu of Rajasthan. These temples, actually group of 5 temples, are mainly associated with Jainism. This is a cultural importance. Favorable conditions for ecotourism. Ecotourism. What is ecotourism? Ecotourism conserves our cultural and biodiversity. Environmental and economical importance of Aravallis, Luni, Banas, Sabarmati, Wildlife Sanctuary, Mount Abu, Lake Nakki. These are natural landscape, Temple of Jainism and Dargah of Ajmer Sharif. These all natural and cultural landscapes make all favorable conditions for ecotourism. Now, the question which are important for pre and men's examination of UPSC and other state PCS examinations. Question number 1. Here questions are in Hindi medium also. because Hindi medium of the same topic Aravallis does not contain questions. Aravalli recently in the news lie in which of the following states were states? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Delhi. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3, 4, 5 only, 1, 3, 5 only. You can answer this question from this video. Question number 2. Which of the following separates the Aravallis and the Vindhya mountains? Main central thrust MCT, main boundary thrust MBT, great boundary fault GBF, Himalayan front fault. Next question is that consider the following statements about the Aravallis. 3 rivers Luni, Banas and Sabarmati rise from this range. The white marble made temples of Jainism on Mount Abu is located in this range. Choose the correct answer. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2 is that. Consider the following statement about the Aravallis which were recently in the news. It is the oldest tectonic mountains range in India. This lies in 3 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi. The highest peak of this range is Guru Shikhar. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, all 1, 2, 3. Some notes are important for men's. The river Luni, Mount Abu, the Aravallis and the Mount Abu provide all favorable conditions for ecotourism. Comment. Ecotourism conserve our nature, ecology, environment and our culture. So this is a sustainable tourism. Therefore this was a topic of this video. Forget me not to like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much for watching.